The format of the data to be stored into the Firestore is a JavaScript object literal, and the data to be stored is held by home model. So these are the information about the game. When the game is over, all the informations are here, so we can select some of those information to store. So let's define a function in the home model that converts a current data into the format of a Firestore database. So let's add a function at the end. Let's say to Firestore object. Then we are going to provide the email as a parameter. Here the email is who was the player for this game. This email is provided from the Firebase auth when user signs in. The current user is the information. So in the home view, home controller, we had such information, and then current user is available. So when the game is over, before we call the to Firestore object from the model, we are going to provide the email, which represent the ownership of this record. We need to return object literal notation. Then first, let's store the email there, and then when the game was finished. So it's a timestamp. We are going to store that. And timestamp date now is the current time you can extract from the web browser's computing system. And then a few other things we need to store into the database. Who was the winner? This winner is there. And then how many moves this game was, number of moves. And then game mode, the play strategy. And let me make it consistent. The game strategy is a play strategy is there. So those are the information to be stored into the Firestore so that we can later look up the play record.